Welcome back to Tugs Rugs. This is Travis here. So today what I'm about to get ready to do, I'm about to get ready to review some more clippers, man. This time I'm going to review some pet clippers. So the other clippers I had, if you didn't go see that video, I did some review on two types of clippers, and they was horse clippers. So right now I'm gonna see if the pet clippers work better with see if they got more power, because the other ones, they cut real good, the horse clippers, but it just didn't have the power. And then it was the other one was, it was something like the sheep shears, but they was a little bit smaller, but the blades wasn't close enough to cut real good and cut the the lines and stuff to get those details in my rugs. So we about to get ready to preview these pet clippers, so let's get to it. All right, so I just got these things in the mail, so we're gonna go ahead and open this thing up. I ordered it from Amazon. The link is going to be in the description, of course. So let's open it up. Let's see what we got going on in here. All right, so this is what it looked like when you first open this thing up. These clippers look like, they kind of look like the ones that most tufters use, those little clippers. The little fancy looking clippers, these are pretty sweet. So hopefully these cut well. So these come with an extra blade that I just dropped. So it comes with an extra blade. Come with your little brush to clean it up. Come with some guards. And then this here, I guess you can adjust the speed. So let's get this thing plugged in, and let's see if it's gonna work. Let's see how it work on this rug, so I can clean up these lines. All right, so I got it plugged in this, and then it has like a little blue light. So I'm gonna try it right here, right by the max, to see, if that's gonna be powerful enough to cut this rug. All right, so I got the Snoop Dogg rug that I did, and what I want to do now, I want to come in and I want to clean up these lines. So I have my other clippers, but like I said, those take a little bit longer to do. They will do the job, but they take a little longer. I need something with a little more power so we can get through this a little bit faster. So we're gonna try these clippers right now. So let's get that going. All right, so I want to get you closer, man. So right now, how you cut this thing going, you can just press it in like that and it'll stay on. And you just press it again, it stays off. So let's see, man. Let's go to the first cut and let's see how this thing cut. Wow. Yes, this is what I'm looking for. These might be by far the best clippers for cutting and shaping up your lines, and they go pretty quick, as you can see. So just like my other clippers, I come in an angle and I just kind of like just clean it up on one side of the color, and then I come back and clean it on the other side, just so I can get that separation. And look at that. That's how I like my rugs. Oh my gosh, y'all. These are what I've been looking for. And these are the best clippers by far, you all. So these are almost like using, I mean, I'm not sure how powerful those are, but you have those, I got burlap all over here. The clippers that has a little air, so that the air clippers, those are pretty powerful, but these are cutting clean. This is not so noisy. Oh man, I love it. Easy clip, you all. Yes, and this cut my rug easy. So we're finna go ahead and get the rest of these lines cleaned up, man. Let's do it.
try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. You check as I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill, no discretion. You're
all right, people, that's it, man. Look at that. Look how clean that came out. Like I said, it's nice and it's like almost like a 3D, man. You know, it's got like a nice little indentation in there. But yeah, man, it came out pretty sweet. I love it. I love it, man. Like I said, these are the best clippers ever, man. Look at that. That came out so nice. Look at it. Not sure what you think or how you think about it, but man, these are the ones, man. These are the ones. Oh, of course, I'm gonna leave the link in the description to these things right here, man. These are the easy clips, man. I love it. I think these are the ones that everybody been using. Cause when I look back at some videos, it was this color. So, but I don't know. They was more expensive, so I don't think. I think they was grabbing it probably from Tough the World or something. They was jacking them prices up. And they was buying them like that because I seen they were sold out, maybe because they're not on. They're now on Amazon. I think these was like $59 or something like that, $60. So yeah, these are the one, man. So of course, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and click that bell. See y'all in the next rub. Peace.
It's a weapon, 11-11, it's time for progression. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me.